Hello students, I am going to show you how you can use Screencast-O-Matic and Zoom to record yourself doing some direct instruction using the whiteboard in Zoom. So you're going to want to launch Screencast-O-Matic and Zoom. Now, you're going to want to get your Zoom whiteboard already up before you would start recording. I've already started to record, so I can show you how to launch the Zoom whiteboard. But you're going to go to host a meeting. You can do it with the video on or the video off. I'm going to go ahead and choose video on because then I will appear here. But then what will happen is that I'll appear in the lower corner when I start to record. What I'm going to do is I am going to share my screen, and when I click on this, I'm going to click whiteboard and click share. I am down in the corner. Hello. I think that's nice to have your face viewable for students, particularly youngsters, because they get that connection of being live, even if this is a video that you're posting and they're accessing at all different times. As a default, this is going to go right to a non-rigid curve, which is perfect for writing. Now, since I have a laptop that has an iPencil with it, I'm able to go ahead and draw right on the screen. So if I wanted to show students how to solve an equation like 3x minus 5 equals 4, I could write that on there and then walk through my steps of, hey, I need to move the 5 to the other side to work towards isolating x. So I would add 5 to each side. When I do so, the 5's cancel out here. I bring down my 3x. And on the other side, 4 plus 5 is 9. To finish, I would go ahead and divide by 3. And so I get x equals 3. I could encourage my students to check, and perhaps on the next whiteboard screen, which to access that, there's this little plus symbol on the bottom, you would just toggle over. Now, the nice thing is when you toggle over, it creates a second page so you can still go back to the first one. But I could then do the checking on this page if I wanted to. I am not going to go through all of this, but let's say your writing's a mess like mine is and you're thinking, oh, I should fix that G. You could click the eraser and it takes it off so easily. Go back and hit draw. It'll default to the thin pencil line and you can make a neater G. So once you have finished, all that you need to do, you don't have to stop the screen share, but you will want to stop your recording in Screencast. So you will pause your recording. It will then encode it, and Screencast saves right to your desktop, which is fantastic. So you'll have an MP4 file there. That MP4 file is what you would want to upload to YouTube so that you could put the link right into your Google Classroom.